The text messaging part of Grower's Edge is very handy because every day I'll receive a text that shows me where the best local market is.
That's what I like about Grower's Edge too. It gives me the information I want on my smartphone so that if I'm not in the office, I still get the information that I need.
Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. It's October 4th, 2014. I'm Logan Burgess. Today we had more selling in the grain complex. Take a look at the iPad here, see where we closed out the day. We had corn down 9 cents, soybeans off 20 3/4, and we had Chicago wheat trading down 6 1/4 here on the day. As you can see right now, technically a relatively weak chart pattern developing in this January 2015 contract. You can see the 100-day moving average acted as very stiff resistance here to the trade. It looks like now this market's preparing to take another run at $10 a bushel. Some news out today pressuring the soy complex was Informa numbers. We got their updated production estimate for 2014-15 South American crops, and in that report they raised their production estimate for both Brazil and Argentina by 500,000 metric tons. Right now their estimate for Brazil and Argentina sits a combined 2 million metric tons above the current USDA estimate. That could be something that may weigh on this grain complex here as we move forward into the next couple months. We did have news that a developing strike is underway in Argentina at a major Cargill soy crushing facility. That could be a little bit of a market mover here, especially in light of the U.S. purchasing some soy meal from Argentina. At least that's what trade chatter was yesterday, but these strikes are very common. Wouldn't expect it to have major bearing here on the soy complex in general as we move forward. Take a look at corn here, a weekday there as well. We're now back below the 100-day moving average, which has acted as support here really for the last two trade sessions. A strong close above this 100-day moving average is a signal to technical traders that this market's ready for another move higher. But you can see that the area really quite actively traded between July and September. We're now back within that range. This could be one area that kind of develops into a range-bound trade for the corn market. Right now, looking at corn and soybeans, I still think it's a good idea to get some beans sold above $10 on the board if you can. Just looking at the ending stocks that we're expecting here, typically we do not see prices on the board in Chicago for new crop beans above 10 in years where we have very large ending stocks as the USDA is currently projecting for this year. We are going to be getting a USDA report out here very shortly, the November USDA report. We'll have to see how production figures change there. That could be a theme for the remainder of the week as traders get positioned for that report. We'll help get you prepared for the November USDA report here on GrainTV. Thanks a lot for joining us here for a Tuesday. We'll see you back here tomorrow for ethanol numbers.